Good morning, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV in Dexter, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about the Forest River Vibe. This is a 2024 year model and the floor plan is a 31 HB. This particular unit has the power tongue jack, dual 20-pound bottles, group 24 battery, slam baggage doors. Now this actually has the water hookup all inside. The hoses come from the bottom. It has your solar panel readout. That's the 30 amp controller. It has the 200 watt panels mounted on the roof. Winterizing port, spray ports, everything is in a centralized location. 50 amp service, on-demand water heater. Outside storage. So this particular unit has the front sewer hookups, the spread axle design, Lippert on-the-go receiver bracket for the ladder, has the Furrion backup camera prep, full-size spare tire. Remember, guys, to like us on Facebook and YouTube. All kinds of under awning setting ability, has the huge windows, the solid step fold down steps. So when we walk inside, we're going to start this side. You have your pantry, a chiller, all kinds of cabinet space. When you get to the back, well, you got your theater seating first. Then you get to the back, you have the bar across the back. Huge windows with all kinds of seating. Your entertainment center is straight across from your theater seating. Fireplace. But this is my favorite part of this unit. It has the hidden bunks. Desk, dual bunks, storage, it has it all. All kinds of storage space on the outside of the island, or around the entertainment center. Pantry, 10.2 cubic foot refrigerator, 3-burner top with oven, microwave, all kinds of cabinets and drawers. The stainless metal farm sink. Centralized command area. It has all your slide out switches, your water pumps, tank heaters, thermostats for your air conditioners. Very nice bathroom. Has the walk-in shower. Walk up to the bedroom area. Very nice bedroom. Closets. Huge closet with storage. Bedroom AC. So like always, guys, we walk through these campers so fast, trying to give you as much information as possible. But if you have any questions on this unit or any other unit on the market, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and have a great day.